The global automobile industry has witnessed an undeniable shift to electric vehicles, or EVs, in recent years, with an estimated rise of 70% in their sales in 2021. The Indian market is no exception to the development, and this momentum is likely to surge with a myriad of upcoming electric cars of India in 2021. So today, I present to you a comprehensive list of upcoming EV cars in India. Let's begin. Hey there, if you're watching my video for the first time, then do subscribe, and while you're at it, don't forget to hit the like button as well. With that out of the way, let's get started. Starting off this list is the BMW i3, a B-segment high-roof hatchback. A part of BMW's i sub-brand, i3 is Marque's first mass-produced vehicle with zero emissions. With a boot space of 260 liters, the car is packed with an electric powertrain and uses rear-wheel drive via single-speed transmission. Here are the details. Mahindra recently unveiled a new range of SUVs, including the Mahindra XUV 300 Electric. In terms of its overall design, this automobile resembles the XUV 300. However, with specifications like special LED headlights coupled with blue graphics, closed grille on its front, larger infotainment, and pop-out style, the XUV 300 Electric still differentiates itself. Let's look into the features. Audi asserts that e-Train offers personal space, self-determined mobility, and a powerful driving experience. This all-electric SUV is not just suitable for everyday use, it is also agile and ensures superior handling when driving off-road. But what features enable such versatility? Here they are. Joining our list of upcoming electric cars in India 2021 is the Taycan by German manufacturer Porsche. It is the company's first series of electric car. Let's get straight into the features. China's Haima Automobiles is geared to enter the Indian market in collaboration with Bird. Its electric hatchback named EV1 is all set to enter the arena in 2021. It integrates safety, cutting-edge technology, practicability, high economy, and environment friendliness. Let's see what else it offers. Another anticipated upcoming electric car in India is Tata's all-electric version of Altroz premium hatchback, named Altroz EV. In fact, it will be the Marque's first premium hatchback EV. Let's get into the features. With the launch of its all-electric hatchback, Maruti will become the first Indian manufacturer to offer affordability in electric cars to the country's automobile industry. Here are the details. Powerful and versatile, Kona Electric by Hyundai is power-packed with the advanced technology for an electrifying performance. The automobile looks more like a raised hatchback than generic SUV. This is what we know so far. The GMW positions Ora as new generation electric car premised upon an exclusive and innovative ME platform. The hatchback effectively combines leading resource technologies, a people-oriented design concept, and strict quality standards. So what are the features? Mercedes-Benz EQA in the all-electric world of EQ vehicles by Mercedes. Additionally, this SUV promises to deliver all Mercedes thrilling functions like Mercedes-Benz user experience and energizing comfort. Here are the details. That's all I had for this video. If you enjoyed, then drop a like, and if you like watching interesting videos like this one, then do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you're notified when I'm back again.